many scientists, also scientists like Stephen Hawking and Elon Musk, they were scared. They're not scared. I think so they predicted or they warned us about AI, okay, AGI, the concept of AGI, and
What is the area?
AGI. Trained on the previous data, and it can think beyond human. Artificial intelligence.
What's the difference between normal AI and AGI?
Normal AI, it is specific task based. Okay, it can perform one task at a time. But AGI can perform, it will switch on various tasks.
Example.
The AI does simple tasks like coding. It can perform one coding. It is expert in coding. Okay, but AGI can think beyond coding. It can do coding also. It can do medical operations also. Like it can help medical.
Example.
Yes.
Platform.
ChatGPT is AI or AGI?
It is AI.
AI. What is AGI?
AGI, we are on the we did not develop it.
Okay, nowadays there is one thing in trend like agentic AI.
Agentic AI.
So black box AI there is which gives us the agent which will dynamically, it will create your files, it will go through your code, it will go through your project structure. So that comes under AI.
That is AI.
That's AI.
Yes. Because it does only the coding part, right?
Yeah.
I am talking about AGI. It does coding also, real-life problems also, and anything. Yes.
What do you mean by real life problems?
That humans have. If I have home, I can perform at home. Like if I am a teacher, for example, I am a teacher. I teach. I cook at home. I travel or I drive. Anything like that to solve various problems and to adapt to the surroundings.
Okay, I want to create one paragraph or essay, write one essay, so calculate this. What? Give me the similar example of AGI.
Basically, AGI can do your जैसे मैंने कोड में ठीक है तो वो ChatGPT से सॉल्व कर देगा पर कोड को और एडवांस कैसे करना है मेरे थिंकिंग को बियॉन्ड कैसे लेके जाना है वो AGI करेगा जो मुझे नहीं आता जो ह्यूमन को नहीं आता वो AGI करेगा
Next.
Myself, Nicholas Sapke from Computer Department. So my topic is quantum computers, the reality change theories. Quantum computer is just not a normal computer. Normal computer we use daily when they using bits. Computers are using same 0 to 1 possibility at the same time, just like a magic word. Once we flip the word, we get a gate sorting. But in quantum computer system, we get we toss the coin, we get gate sorting, the both possibilities of the range of the answer is possible. And quantum computer doesn't change the reality, that show all possible way of the answer we can get to one particular problem. Just like quantum computer also improving in AI, in enhancing security, and it's goes like a steroid like AI. If you use quantum computers and normal computers takes to solve any encryption data like 1-2 years to solve billions of encryption data less, but quantum computers just solve in few minutes or seconds. They are also very useful to find new medicine and drugs because quantum computers are from the modules of atoms. They can imagine the atoms and molecules reaction, and they can define some new drugs which we can cure this is the line which they escape. They are also included in the cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency is also one of the digital. They are also in the top of security. If we try using this kind of computers, they will be the quantum computers are still not unstable, but they are in the initial state. They need supercomputing temperature to store the value of quantum systems, and quantum computing is just starting from the new phase of era, but it is also starting with the new universe and new concept they can show us from. Quantum computer isn't just paper. We are standing on the will understand this concept, this technology, they will gain the knowledge of that particular area, and this is the future of our house.
How quantum computing can be useful?
Normal computer takes data is a very vast key or not possible to involve that. But quantum computer can solve any equation that supercomputer that currently the name of the big capital situated in Washington for nuclear research of the US. That computer couldn't solve that equation till very but quantum computer solve that in a few seconds or minutes. That's it.
Why quantum computers are faster?
Quantum computer, if you will use a normal computer are data related in bits. Quantum computer related in qubits. Qubits from 0 and 1 simultaneously stack. But normal computer 0, 1 and or 1. So they are using one possible way to solve the equations and they are front of us.
Rather than fast.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's forget about the fast speed. What feature quantum computer has than normal computer?
Normal computer we can do many possibilities we can apply to identify the normal computer. But with using a quantum computers, they are not stable as the date. They are what we are studying. Quantum computer we using the possibilities of our time and our business मिलने वाले के उससे पास होगा और जो भी हम उससे पेमेंट्स और वगैरह जो कैलकुलेशन से वो कर सकते हैं। I'm from IT department. Division H. I'm going to talk on quantum chips. We know that quantum computers are going to revolutionary change in the world. Quantum computers help to solve complex mathematical and different types of operations in the computers. With the help of that, we can solve equations that can't be calculated by normal computers. Microsoft created our quantum chip with the help of the topological conductors are discovered. Topological state is the new kind of state that is newly discovered that helps to find the this is the base of Maya chip, and this is that is the foundation of the architecture of the can be because the quantum computer.
Quantum chip.
Quantum chip is the most new quantum chip. Maya is the new quantum chip that helps to quantum computer to enhance their calculation, equation and problem solving skills.
Why quantum chip is faster?
Because with the help of that, millions of qubits stored in the that helps to solve more complex equations by the quantum mechanics.
Why we are
Because they are rather than faster normal computers and they are efficient.
tell me disadvantage of quantum.
neuromorphic computing. Now, in this, now AI, a word that we all know in this today's world, every day, each and every day we see a new development, new progress, new achievement achieved by AI. In this, this motivates us human to create a technology that can mimic human brain, and this technology is called as neuromorphic computing technology. Now, neuromorphic computing technology can also be called as neuromorphic engineering. This engineering sole purpose is to create a hardware or design a hardware or software that has the ability to mimic the human brain, how it performs, how it processes the information, and how does it implement the information. Now, now one may ask that how does this technology works? Then in simple word, it works same as our human brain. When we receive information, our neurons get triggered and release some chemicals and signals which get transferred through our neural networks. Now, similarly, in this type of technology, SNN, that is spiked neural networks, are used. In this same concept, the neurons are used in which they get triggered. When they get triggered, they activate the information. They send the information. Now, so it has various applications in our today's world. One can say that in robotics as well as in e-cars, we can see that in robotics there's an it can help the robot to make its decision, and it can improve the decision making of the robot, as well as in cyber security. It can help to identify the patterns that can result into the threats. Now if this technology gets combined with AGI, we can bring a new revolution in this world. Thank you.
So, normal computer, quantum computer, and neuromorphic computer. What is that? Normal, quantum, neuromorphic.
So in normal computer, what happens is we already gives it a data and it processes on it and works on it. Whereas I am not sure about quantum computers actually. Then about neural networks, then how it works is it already has the data stored in it, and when we trigger the data, or when we require a particular data, then at that moment we can say we get the result.
So basically, it is like an AI integrated with computer. Next.
Good afternoon, myself Kaveri. I'm from first year IT department. So my topic for today's talk is DeepSeek disruption in the AI industry. So DeepSeek is a cutting-edge AI model developed by a Chinese research team, which mainly focuses on large language models and open AI models. It has created many projects to date, which competes OpenAI, like GPT-4 and Claude. So, in DeepSeek code has created a great has performed very strong in code generation and reasoning, which dominates closed models like GPT-4. Thus, it is creating a competition among the developers and companies to shift their preferences toward many other open applications. So, I would like to conclude that despite DeepSeek has disrupted the AI industry, but it has not broken the AI industry. It has just created a competition among the researchers which can lead to many new AI breakthroughs in the coming future.
Which is more DeepSeek or that?
DeepSeek, in terms of cost, in terms of
Whose output is much better? DeepSeek or that?
ChatGPT, because DeepSeek has used less advanced chips and
Who understands the user better? DeepSeek or that?
from my point of view, I think it's a ChatGPT.
OpenAI have put some allegations on China company that they with DeepSeek that you use ChatGPT model to train your model. Like they put an allegation that you use ChatGPT to train our model. You use ChatGPT data to train our model. This is known as model distillation. So technically it is wrong to do that. The ChatGPT has put those allegations on it. So what do you think about that? What's your opinion?
So I don't know much about this. So my opinion on this.
Hello again. My name is Alish Bande. I'm from first year engineering, AI department. My topic is engineered robots. This year there is a significant growth in the field of robotics. In a very interesting part. With the help of AI and machine learning, companies are developing robots, basically human robots. So they can perform in the field to help humans. NVIDIA, Tesla companies, and many more companies are also investing in that area. Agility robots which is there, deployed in Georgia and is also operational right now. The Spanish company in Georgia, warehouse center. So robots रोबोट्स को इम्प्रूव किया जा रहा है ताकि वो फिजिकली सारी चीज़ें कर सके, फिजिकल फील्ड्स के ऊपर वर्क कर सके, ह्यूमन्स को हेल्प कर सके, इन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, ई कॉमर्स, लॉजिस्टिक्स, इन सब के अंदर वो हेल्प कर सके। और उसके अलग अलग बहुत सारे इम्पैक्ट्स भी है। चीज़ों का जैसे इम्पैक्ट भी
Next point.
Hi everyone, this is Azur from FEAMNB, and so my topic for this tech talk will be neuromorphic chips, which are based on semiconductors. So, you know how our brain works, right? We learn from our mistakes, we take new inputs, we learn every day new things which we use in our further life. And if we learn today a code, how to write a code, we are going to implement it in near future. So what we learn today, we try to implement in our future. Also, if there is any mistake in our code or any learning insight we have, we try to correct it and then present it forward. So neuromorphic chips, they apply the same basic framework. They work and they are built to adapt and work like brain. So they have three main important aspects like SNNs, which are called spiking neural networks. Second, memory cells, and third, analysis process. So in this spiking neural networks, so our brain has neurons, right? In the same manner, the spiking neural networks act as a neuron. They provide signals they provide electrical signals. In traditional chips, and one task is carried out under one time. We can carry out many tasks in this type, in neuromorphic chips. So the basic difference in between this is that here it is trained to act like a brain, and in normal AIs like ChatGPT, it works on one task at a time, and therefore we get a better low power consumption, a better output, and also it corrects itself. So we don't need to correct it. Then I said, sorry, this information of yours is wrong. I was buying a smartphone basically. So there was a variant for 6GB and 128, which was actually in market of 8GB and 128. So it was giving me wrong information. I told it, no, this information is wrong. It corrected. The next time I asked for it, it gave me the correct value. That this is the product, and it corrected its mistake. So these are various applications in which we can see. We have various applications like we can use it in automated cars, in driverless cars. We can use it in medical field, right? It can learn. We can efficiently handle the cost cutting. So for training a AI, we need a lot of resources, like from electrical to logistical. We need every type of aspect to train these models. So in SNN, so in neuromorphic chips, the AI itself learns from its mistake and open information application which we can openly see in the market right now. Any questions?
What's the use of
Neuromorphic chip. So basically, we need humans to train an AI. So in day-to-day life, we use ChatGPT or various other codes. For writing codes, we also use black box AI. So we have various AI in our day-to-day life. So this neuromorphic chip AI can easily, we don't need anyone to train this this AI. So it can train itself and it can give us information and better insights.
What's the use of neuromorphic chip in our data?
It is a self-processing AI, so we don't need to train it. Neuromorphic chip, like we can use it in automated cars, is possible application. It is a new technology which has taken place a few time back. So we are planning for automated vehicles, and then we are taking it for. We can also plan it for other implementations like home AI. These are possible uses because it is one of the new technologies which has emerged right now.
So basically, when you are using a neuromorphic chip, it has artificial neurons in it. So it requires a very high amount of calculations to process one token of data. So to maintain that continuous calculation, you need high power. But you stated that neuromorphic chips require low power.
Yes, because they are based on semiconductor technology. So they basically traditionally what energy we would require is much lesser than that. So I said it is power safe and efficient for it.
But it is requiring millions of mathematical equations to process one token.
Yeah.
And you require multiple millions of tokens to process one
So
task.
in comparison with the traditional AI, if we plan to do a traditional AI with that system, we would, if you compare it, so traditional AI would take a lot information, a lot energy and what is required here. So by that terms, I said that it is power efficient.
Relatively.
Yeah, relatively. Comparing.
But AI is using internet to provide the data. And you
chip which acts like a human brain as it has spiky neural networks and memory structures which store data accordingly as a human brain learns, like from day-to-day life and day-to-day experience, it learns in the same pattern.
So the chip itself stores the data.
Yeah, it has memory structures which stores data.
So what type of task I can perform that?
It has varied applications.
What?
It has varied. You can take it for driving. You can take it for just control the other activities like drones, etc. You can use it defense mechanism. Also, we can use it as it can scan a lot amount of data.
There are already existing apps we train on. So how the difference between that general AI and
We get your versatility. We can use this system in various fields without changing much of the insights.
How can I take one chip that you just said that we can train on that particular task and then use that same chip for other tasks?
Actually, we are not training it for a specific task. It is acting like a human brain. So, as you are a human brain, you can do coding. Also, you can run fast.
Basically, it will be just a set of neurons, a general set of neurons, and then you train on that.
Yeah. For the time now, supercomputers are efficient, but for day-to-day life, neuromorphic chips can be efficient and they can work properly for day-to-day life, not super much calculation. Because
neuromorphic chips तो that data चाहिए होगा ना स्टोर करने के लिए and normal household में कैसे data स्टोर होता है IT के लिए
एक्शन में अभी कितना जानते हैं, इसी चीज़ की शुरुआत हमको बेसिक्स से करनी चाहिए. बेसिक्स माने तो क्या बोले? हाँ. So how exactly a computer starts right from the clicking a switch. Moving on, we will not go like physical components. We will talk about the software thing, like the actual coding that we would like to do. I personally prefer Java. You can prefer any language. Language is not a barrier. What interests you more? Like this is a talk that we all need to have before choosing our domain. That's exactly what we are trying to do in our life. If we are interested in things like automation, we like to do things that automatically work for us, that give us output, we are paid with the prompt, like this different model that any one of us said about DCK, I also said that. Okay. So starting from the basic thing, that is the like Java program, let's say about that. Why do I say Java everywhere? Making our own AI model. And yes, talking about Java, why I prefer Java more? Because like next step, I'm not being bad over here, but let's talk about C++. We give a code. If the other machine has the complete setup, first of all, installing C++ is mess. We will install C++, then we will run, and it will give errors. But what about the Java code? If we have a Java setup already, then there is no need to worry about it. You just need to copy paste the code, and that's why the company is the Java mode. Because they want work from different people. And also, doing Java also gives us that we can do freelancing. We need money and we can earn them using freelancing. So Java, there are many open doors like startups where we can apply and we can do work with Java, SDE roles and.
अच्छा था करंट अफेयर में इसलिए, पर अगर तुम करंट अफेयर में बात कर ही रहे हो तो तुम्हें उसका नॉलेज भी होना चाहिए, एंड टू एंड नॉलेज. करंट अफेयर सिर्फ एक चीज पे नहीं होता. अभी क्रैश हुआ उसके बारे में भी मुझे बोलना पड़ेगा. तो आपको डीप सीक की नॉलेज थी पर मार्केट और सेंटिफिक नहीं. करना, अपने स्क्रिप्ट को कभी भी प्रिपेयर करो, डायरेक्ट रीड करके मत आया, लिखो एक जगह ऑर्गेनाइज करो, सिर्फ चैट जीपीटी भी मत करो, गूगल पे जाओ, गूगल पे ज़्यादा बेटर सेंटेंस और कोट्स वगैरह मिल जाते हैं, ठीक है। सो प्रिपरेशन अच्छा होना चाहिए। प्रेजेंटेशन ऑब्वियसली बातें खराब हो जाता है जब तुम कोई चीज़ बीच में भूल जाते हो, हालांकि बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर नहीं है वो, पर एक तरीके से नेगेटिव रिमार्क्स देता है। ज़्यादा स्टिफ खड़े नहीं रहना है। युवराज ऋतुराज ने बहुत अच्छा बोला, लेकिन इसका एक माइनस पॉइंट था, ये सिर्फ स्टिफ खड़ा था। हाँ ठीक है, स्टिफ खड़े होना कोई गलत बात नहीं है, पर तुम्हारा हाथ सिर्फ ऐसे था और तुम सिर्फ ऐसे बात कर रहे थे, थोड़ा सा मूवमेंट होना जरूरी है। ज़्यादा स्टिफ स्ट्रेट होकर बोलोगे तो ऐसा लगेगा बहुत सीरियस बोल रहा है, रोबोट बात कर रहा है, सही लगेगा। न्यूरोमॉर्फिक चिप थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड था, और अगर तुम कोई कॉम्प्लिकेटेड टॉपिक अपने एडवांटेज में लेके बताना ही चाह रहे हो कि भाई मेरा बहुत यूनिक है, फिर तुम्हें वो सामने वाले को एक्सप्लेन भी उस वे में करना आना चाहिए। अगर मैं मतलब मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स है, पर अगर मैं कोई बहुत यूनिक चीज़ लेकर आ रहा हूँ तो इट्स माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि मैं तुम्हें उतने ईजी से समझा सकूँ, और शायद कोई समझा नहीं पाया, ठीक है। अभी क्वांटम कंप्यूटर्स हर कोई बात करता है क्वांटम कंप्यूटर्स का, क्वांटम कंप्यूटर इतना फास्ट है, इतना ये क्या मस्त है, लेकिन डिसएडवांटेज पता ही नहीं होते। किसी भी चीज़, हर एक चीज़ का एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज होता ही होता है। तो जितने भी क्वांटम कंप्यूटर्स वाले थे उनको डिसएडवांटेज पूछा तो वो बता नहीं पाए। हाँ, एक ने बताया, किसने बताया, हाँ कूल टेम्परेचर में होना चाहिए वगैरह वगैरह, और दूसरों का स्पीच। पहली बात है प्रिपरेशन अच्छे से करके आओ, और जब प्रिपरेशन अच्छे से हो जाएगी तो दूसरों का स्पीच सुनो। फ्रैंक नहीं होना है। मैंने जब स्टार्ट हुआ था तब मैंने 5 आउट ऑफ 5 दिए थे प्रेजेंटेशन,
मेरा टॉपिक है।
हाँ, फिर धीरे धीरे हंस रहा है, ऐसा ये वो फ्रैंक हो गए, फिर थोड़े मार्क्स काटने पड़ गए मुझे। पहली बात तो टॉपिक अच्छे से समझाने आना चाहिए। यहाँ पे किसी को समझ में नहीं आता कि टॉपिक किस टॉपिक पे बोलने वाला है, फिर मुझे धीरे धीरे समझ में आया जावा पे बोलने वाला है, पर फिर जावा के यूज केस और एडवांटेजेस बताने बहुत ज़रूरी है। और उसकी कोई पॉइंट को तुम कॉन्ट्रैडिक्ट कर दोगे दूसरे लैंग्वेज के साथ जो कि गलत है। जैसे एक पॉइंट पूरा वहाँ पे गलत हो गया कि मेमोरी एलोकेशन अलग अलग होता है, तो तुम्हारे पूरे कहते हैं ना नॉलेज को अनडिफाइन कर देता है, और फिर वो एट द एंड वो कंटेंट का वैल्यू दे देता है। सो बाकी बहुत अच्छा बोला क्योंकि एंड मोमेंट पे ऐसे खुद के बोला, एकदम रॉ बोला है। तो गिव अ बिग हैंड फॉर अथर्व मोगल। मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छा था, मल्टीपल सर्चेस, चैट जीपीटी को भी पूछो, गूगल भी करो, फिर प्रिपेयर करना है। अभी जोर से बोला करो, जोर से बोला करो, क्लियर बोला करो। अगर इतने में भी आवाज़ नहीं जा रही है मतलब ज़्यादा लोग होंगे तो फिर सुना ही नहीं देगा। तो काबिलियती का सब कुछ अच्छा था, खाली क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग में आपका थोड़ा सा, और प्रेजेंटेशन में आप बोले भी बहुत। अभी ना तेरा प्रेजेंटेशन थोड़ा सा वीक था, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा वीक था, क्योंकि पहले समझाना आना चाहिए, स्टैमर नहीं होना है, और बी क्लियर। और ऐसा नहीं कि बीच में कहते हैं ना सिर्फ बोले जा रहे, वो चीज़ कैसे ना एक तरीके से सामने वाले को बोर भी कर सकती है। तो किसी ने ऐसा कुछ क्रिएटिव वे ट्राई नहीं किया, कोट्स बोल के स्टार्ट करना या फिर कुछ ऐसा कोई ऐसा मूवमेंट याद दिला के, वो सारी चीज़ें ट्राई नहीं की इसमें। जैसे इमेजिन तुम्हें ये करने को इतना टाइम लगता है, पर अगर मैं तुम्हें एक ऐसी चीज़ दूँ जिससे 2 सेकंड हो जाएगा, तो वो सब चीज़ें वो क्रिएटिव वे किसी ने ऐड ही नहीं किया। वैसे ही क्या युवराज तेरा सब अच्छा था। हाँ ऋतुराज तेरा सब अच्छा था। लास्ट में ऋतुराज क्वांटम कंप्यूटिंग पे अच्छा बोला। इसके हाँ कंटेंट का क्वालिटी भी सही था, मतलब सब कुछ सही बोला। क्रॉस क्वेश्चनिंग में भी सही जवाब दिए, क्यू चिप क्या होता है, क्यू बिट क्या होता है, एडवांटेजेस भी बताते हैं, डिसएडवांटेज। इसको कहते हैं एंड टू एंड कंटेंट। ऐसा होता है कि वन सिर्फ एडवांटेज पढ़ के आए, क्या गलत क्या होते हैं, माइनस पॉइंट होते हैं, हर चीज़ के होते हैं। विकास कौन है? विकास मेरा जनरेटिव आया था, पर ऐसा लगा था तो बहुत कंफ्यूज है। AI AGI तुम्हें क्लियर रहना ही पड़ेगा। अगर तुम कोई नई चीज़ को पॉप आउट करते हो ना, तो तुम्हें वो सामने वाले को बताने आनी चाहिए। अगर मैं कोई अभी यहाँ पे खड़े खड़े अगर मैं कोई नई चीज़ बोल दूँगा ना, तो मुझे उतना स्पून फीडिंगली तुम्हें समझाना आना चाहिए, एंड देन ओनली वी आर बी कॉल्ड एज गुड स्पीकर। अगर मैं AGI बोल रहा हूँ तो वो AGI के एग्जाम्पल्स देने आने चाहिए। तो और समीक्षा, हाँ, डीप टेक स्टार्टअप्स, ये भी बहुत अच्छा था, यूनिक था। और हाँ, इसमें थोड़ा सा और कहते हैं ना मार्केट रिसर्च वगैरह डाल सकते थे, क्योंकि डीप टेक स्टार्टअप एक चीज़ के बारे में बात नहीं हो रही। क्वांटम कंप्यूटिंग एक कॉन्सेप्ट है, बट डीप टेक स्टार्टअप से इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें आ जाती हैं, तो तुम्हें फिर वो उस ओवरव्यू लेवल पे बात करनी होती है। बाकी हो गया, दैट्स इट।
Go.
नकली रिएक्शन।
समीक्षा। सेकंड है अथर्व मुकल।
सेल्फी।
कैमरामैन, कैमरा फोकस करो।
लेट्स